everyone, and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Quickstep practice routine number 5. It was taught in the online class on the 9th of May 2022. So if you're looking at my video library for the full class, we did around about an hour of Quickstep and about 30 minutes of a rumba afterwards. So this was the little practice routine. We were working today a little bit more on technique, and we were answering lots of questions about heels, toes, balls, flats, all of that kind of thing. It was footwork, technique, and the routine wasn't that long. It wasn't too complicated because we were working more on the technique. I started in the left corner with a V-shaped basic, living room adjusted, slow, quick, slow. Now my progressive chassis in the ballroom would be forwards on the heel here. I'm actually going to go ball heel for a little check, okay? So if I was a lady or a follower, I would be doing slow, quick, slow, and heel. But here I'm going to do a ball flat, and I'm going to do a little check. So slow, quick, slow, and check. Using this to go backwards, slow, quick, slow, and check. Back lock step, slow, quick, slow. Counter that effect of going backwards and drive forwards now for slow, quick, slow, and forwards lock step. So this is working a little bit more, working a little bit more on the balls of the feet and getting our calves working. Let's do that section again. V-shaped basic, slow, quick, slow, and check. Slow, quick, slow, and check. Back lock step, slow, quick, slow. Forwards left, slow, quick, slow, lock step here. Now I'm just going to return myself to the centre of the screen just a little bit for you. Followers footwork for the spin turn. Slow. Now I said open as though you're going to be led into a promenade position out of your spin turn. And then we did a little pivot step. Slow, quick. Now in the class we practice it multiple times, but in the routine I'm just going to do it once. So I'm going to go into the spin turn, slow, quick. The next move is a slow. It's a very small pivot, more like a swivel. Forwards on my right, small swivel, and then set off for a cross chassis. Now that cross chassis is in leader's footwork, okay? So just to give you the idea, spin turn, follower's footwork, little change of direction on the pivot, small swivel, cross chassis, and then off I go. Like I said, it was a short routine. We were working on other techniques as the class was today. Let's go. V-shape. Slow, quick, slow, and slow, quick, slow, and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Yeah, so we're picking up speed on that little swivel section, okay? So short and sweet. Hope that's okay for you. As you know, not doing these with music takes too long. It's all with music in the main video. So you want Monday the 9th of May 22. That's in our Improvers Solo Ballroom section on the video library. If you're watching this on YouTube, hope you're finding these short recap summaries really useful, even if you haven't done the full class. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, leave me a comment, and in my website, again, you've got a message system there so you can send me messages, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.